At Entourage Auto Detail, we understand that your vehicle is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a reflection of your style, personality, and passion for excellence. At Entourage Auto Detail, we understand that your vehicle is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a reflection of your style, status, and personality. From exterior paint correction to interior rejuvenation, our comprehensive range of services is designed to meet the unique needs of every vehicle, ensuring unparalleled results and exceeding your expectations. Whether you're driving a classic beauty, daily driver, or the latest luxury model, our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to bringing out its true beauty and ensuring it shines on every journey. With our state of the art tools, premium products, and attention to detail, Entourage Auto Detail sets the standard for automotive excellence, delivering unparalleled craftsmanship and luxury car care expertise. Experience the difference with Entourage Auto Detail, where every detail matters, and excellence is our standard. Contact us today to schedule your next detailing appointment and elevate your driving experience. Avoiding certain mistakes is just as important as implementing best practices in your detailing business. Here are 10 essential things not to do. Don't make unrealistic promises or exaggerate the results you can achieve. Always strive to exceed customer expectations, but be honest about what can be achieved with each service. Don't underestimate the importance of excellent customer service. Always prioritize communication, responsiveness, and professionalism to build trust and loyalty with your clients. Don't compromise on safety when handling chemicals and equipment. Always wear appropriate protective gear and follow safety guidelines to prevent accidents and injuries. Don't use products or techniques that can damage vehicle surfaces or compromise results. Stay informed about industry best practices and use only approved products and methods. Don't misuse customer feedback or complaints. Take all feedback seriously and use it as an opportunity to improve your services and address any issues that arise. Don't neglect marketing and promotion efforts. Even if you offer exceptional services, you need to actively promote your business to attract new customers and stay competitive. Don't undervalue your services by underpricing them. Set prices that reflect the quality of your work, the value you provide, and your business expenses. Underpricing can lead to unsustainable business practices and compromise profitability. Don't stop learning and improving your skills. Stay updated on the latest detailing techniques, products, and industry trends through workshops, training programs, and networking opportunities. Failing to plan ahead, don't operate your business without a clear plan and strategy. At Entourage Auto Detail, we're not just about transforming cars, we're about transforming lifestyles. Introducing the Entourage Auto Detail clothing and gear collection, designed for those who appreciate quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. From sleek and stylish hats to comfortable and durable shirts, our collection is perfect for showing off your passion for automotive excellence wherever you go. I love rocking my Entourage gear. It's not just clothing, it's a statement of quality and dedication to perfection. Crafted with the same attention to detail that defines our detailing services, our clothing and gear collection combines quality materials with modern aesthetics. Whether you're hitting the road working on a vehicle or simply expressing your passion for cars, our clothing and gear are the perfect companion for every automotive adventure. Join the entourage and showcase your love for cars with our exclusive clothing and gear collection. Shop now and take your style to the next level. Entourage Auto Detail, where excellence meets style. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals, target market, services, pricing, and marketing strategies to guide your operations and decision making. Don't overlook legal and regulatory obligations, such as obtaining necessary licenses and permits, complying with environmental regulations, and protecting customer data. Failing to meet these requirements can result in fines, lawsuits, and damage to your reputation. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can build a successful and sustainable detailing business that delivers exceptional service and earns the trust and loyalty of your customers. We're dedicated to elevating your ride and exceeding your expectations with our expert detailing services. Whether you're looking to restore the shine to your daily driver or pamper your prized possession, trust Entourage Auto Detail to deliver premium results every time. Experience the difference with Entourage Auto Detail. Book your appointment today and elevate your ride to the next level. Thank you for joining us on this journey of automotive excellence with Entourage Auto Detail.